My husband was begging me for one of these. This is a sunrise alarm clock. Do all the things a normal alarm clock can do, but probably less than half the price. And y'all, when it wakes you up, it gradually gets brighter and brighter, just like the sunrise. It's such a gradual, gentle way to wake up. Just watch as it turns on. It's so gentle. It's getting louder and louder. Y'all, this is the Christmas gift of the year. It's still getting louder. Make sure that you check out if there's coupons from the seller, but go check it out at the link on this video.